In this video, we are going through AGFY. If you did see this today, you may have seen, depending on your broker, that it was up around 1,000%. This wasn't accurate. They did do a 10-to-1 reverse stock split, and that's why you saw we were trading around $1, and now we opened up around $10. So it wasn't actually up 1,000%. But what's interesting is, again, depending on your broker, like Think or Swim telling me it's up 300%, it's actually down 50%. And why is this? So obviously opened around $10. We can see it's now trading around $4. The $10 is basically when it was at $1, so now you're basically at 40 cents. You are very near to that 52-week low. Once the charts update and give you a reverse stock split updated chart. But for the time being, what this really indicates is we today have had a massive sell-off. Thinking we open around here, 92 cents or kind of around $1 today, and we are now back down all the way down to its 52-week low, around there. So really this is more just a warning. I mean, wait till the stock to open up tomorrow. You may see a really big pop tomorrow. Sometimes you see this if a reverse stock split gets hammered. Sometimes you just see them tend to pop coming into the next open because investors didn't realise it wasn't actually up that much or it wasn't down that much, and will then trade off that reasoning. But obviously do always note fundamentals are the key driver. Yes, a reverse stock split isn't so much fundamental news, doesn't change so much the valuation of the company or their earnings, but it is usually a bad sign for a company if they're having to do a reverse stock split, because really the only time a company does a reverse one is when their share price is too low that they're going to get delisted. So that was a big thing on the AGFY. That's why we did an analysis on it about 2 days back. And that was actually one of the warning things we did give, because when you get that information that it's going to reverse stock split, you tend to see a crash because, again, it's showing the stock is so weak that it's almost getting delisted. Whereas compared to a normal stock split, that's usually considered good news because it means the share price is such a high value. The company wants to make it more accessible to more investors and increase liquidity. But that is kind of the breakdown for AGFY. We did do an analysis on it around 2 days ago. The charts haven't updated, we can't give you new levels, so we may go later this week, or if you want updated levels, post it in the comments and we'll have that out tomorrow when the charts update. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.